Welcome back to another edition of Gareth and Boxings. So, we're back with another Tokyo treat with the premium box. And this is a February one I've been excited for. Next month, I'm excited for what they got for the drink, because they revealed it and it's the world's first, and they have got it. So here we go. February for your sweetheart. Here you go. There's the back. You can also say using that. So this is the first part. It tells you. So we've got box it and stuff on stuff. So we got this now. Don't want to show you that. Because I'll ruin the surprise. Here we go. If you were lucky enough, you would get all this. I know some of you would like that. We like those figures. You would win that, the lucky tree. I don't need to show. Here we go. I want to read that. And then the people who done then took photos when they bought. So let's push our back. Let's put my rope up there. Let's get into the first now. Let's pull this out. And the first thing we got is sweet plum crisps. I've seen this on their Facebook page. They do let you know which some of them, so I know what the drink is. So they're sweet plum chips or crisps, depends what country you come from. In the UK we call them crisps because when you bite into them, it makes a crisp noise. A chip is a fry. A chip is a chunky fry, basically. So the way to tell the difference between a chip and a fry is chips are chunky, fries are skinny. So a bit of this and why we like fish and chips. You're not gonna put this with fish, are you? British tradition. Fish and chips like bangers and mash, which bangers are sausages. And if you ever come to the UK, if you're foreign, like if you're from America and stuff like that, if you don't like something over there, you might like it over here. Our stuff always tastes different. Like your Coca-Cola tastes different to our Coca-Cola. And so on and so on. So, let's get into the next thing. Oh, and this is the party pack thing. This is when you order the premium box and you get a full packet of something, not just a couple. And this is what the party pack is. Like, you can have instead of having like one or two or couple Kit Kats in there on the box, you get a whole packet. So this is the party pack. This time it's like strawberry chocolates. You get a whole pack of them. Usually you used to have a couple, but now they give you a whole packet. So there we go. I did dinner with my girlfriend last night. She got something like an ice cream cone in it or something like that. But I checked that they changed something. All they changed is, I'm not saying no. Where's it now? They changed them. So you no longer got them, but you got a pack of Pockies. So that's what they changed. So let's see what we got. Let's see. Let's grab out the first thing. And it's these. These are quite nice in the white chocolate ones they tasted. Rusk. There we go. We got to read that. There you go. They are quite nice actually. Next thing we got is a big Black Thunder or Black Sea or whatever it's called. This must be the thing she said is not marked in yet. Yeah, this is not in here. So this is chocolate. This is like an corn snack, but it's like a big crisp, like a Cheeto, but chocolate with a big hole in it. So it's like a crunchy Cheeto, but chocolate. So let's go the next thing we got. Don't think I had this one before. Design looks different. I might have had it. Let me check what one it is. Shrimp mayonnaise. I've had that before. That must be what my girlfriend said she didn't want. Wouldn't try it. Next thing we got, I know what this is. It's a milkshake. But I can't remember. I think it was a strawberry milkshake, but I can't remember. Here we go. And that is right, yeah. So next thing we got is cola bottles. I love cola bottles. Let's look at where they was. There they are. They just put them picture. That's a share pack. Next thing we got is these. These are strawberry puffs. I had these and these are nice. They're like rice puffs or something like that. Like a cereal, like puffs or something like that. And they coated in like chocolate, strawberry. There's a few different ones. Oh, I just had them ones. There we go. Next thing we got is this. chocolate wafer. Love them. Next thing we got is these. I think I had these before. I can't remember if they're good or not. There we go. Next thing we got is this. I'll be cutting my nails later, so don't worry about my nails. Just I'm being that great, being unwell. So there we go. Cola sour gum. Yummy. There we go. Strawberry and cream lolly. Yummy. I like them. There we go. Next thing we got is the things the Pockies they changed for the pies, so they are not in there, but they're supposed to be the pies I showed you earlier. Next thing we got is this Pepsi Christmas Cola. This is a strawberry shortcake Pepsi. There we go. I wonder if they added this as a sorry for changing the Pockies for them. But yeah, there you go. Strawberry shortcake Pepsi. That should be quite nice. So, without further ado, let's recap in what we got. We got a Pepsi. We got these rusk. We got Pockies. We got gummies. We got puffs. We got a wafer. We got a chocolate puff bar. We got a sour gum. We got some like mints. I think I tasted rose one. I can't remember if it tasted berry. We got shrimp mayonnaise, which I'm pretty sure it tasted. We got some milkshake. We got a lolly. We got our party pack. And then we got our sour plum snacks. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More boxes will be on its way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want, and don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.